If you've ever clicked on a website only to realize it's in a language you don't understand, don't worry. Microsoft Edge has a built-in translation tool that can make your browsing smooth and effortless. Today, you'll learn exactly how to translate any web page in just a few clicks. Let's start with automatic translation. Open Microsoft Edge and go to the web page you want to read. If it's in a language different from your preferred languages, Edge immediately detects it and shows a translation prompt right in the address bar. It's subtle but incredibly useful. Click on the drop-down menu inside that prompt, choose the language you want the page translated into, and then hit Translate. Edge will refresh the page instantly, and you'll see the entire web page rewritten in your selected language. Super simple and very fast. Now, if the automatic prompt doesn't appear, you can still translate the page manually. When Edge detects a foreign language, a small translate icon will show up in the address bar. Click it, and you'll get the same translation options. Another handy method is using the right-click menu. Just right-click anywhere on the page and select Translate to your language. This works great, especially if you want quick control with a single click. If you want to personalize your translation experience even further, Edge lets you adjust your default translation settings. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, and then open the Languages section. Here, you'll find your preferred languages and a very important option: offer to translate pages that aren't in a language I read. Make sure this is enabled. Once it's on, Edge will automatically prompt you whenever you land on a page written in a different language, saving you time and removing extra steps. With these tools, Microsoft Edge makes it incredibly easy to browse the internet without language barriers. Whether you rely on automatic translation, manual options, or custom settings, you'll always be just one click away from understanding any web page you visit. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring the web in any language you choose.